Let's get you a quick recap then of what happened in regional markets and what to expect at the open with our equities reporter Abir Abu Oman. Abir, one of the month's worst global performers, the Qatari stocks, now headed towards the worst month since June 2017. The RSI is at 22, arguably a critical level. What exactly could drive this over the next few days?
Right. So, Yusuf, it's not only the worst month since June 2017, it's also its worst August since 2008. That is a huge size and scope, and it's headed towards the worst month. It's not there yet, so things could rebound anytime. Now, the reasons we're hearing from analysts include a general risk-off sentiment towards emerging markets, but they include other reasons like, so what we heard earlier this month is that money in Qatar could rotate to other markets in the region, like Saudi Arabia, upon its inclusion into emerging markets, as well as Dubai and Abu Dhabi for more attractive valuations. Now, again, the market is headed towards its worst month. Things could correct, but the image looks pretty gloomy for Qatar as of now.
The second story that you've looked at is the breakdown of holdings. We've gone to 100% ownership in Saudi Arabia, which has had ramifications in terms of who owns what, where the flow of money is. So with the inclusion story and the ownership story, what is the data telling us, or maybe what's missing from the data?
Right. So, Manis, the new weekly report, the new weekly breakdown on the Tadawul exchange now segregates total foreign ownership from strategic foreign investments. So, Saudi Arabia's regulator came out about a month ago and said that strategic foreign investors are now allowed to hold up to 100% of stakes in listed companies. But what's interesting in the data, according to Mohammed Al-Haj from AFG, is that the data does not account for the full amount of strategic investment that we know exists in Saudi Arabia. It actually accounts for less than half of that amount. Only 3 companies, which are Saudi British Bank, MetLife, and Alliance, show in the slot allocated for strategic investors more than 0%. The market opens today after a week-long holiday, and we're expected to hear a clarification soon. So I'll come back and update you guys.
You can update us soon. Great to have you with us this morning. That's the very latest on our regional equities here. This morning. That's the very latest on our regional equities here.